Hey there YouTube, High Mileage Rider here, and today we're going to start episode 2. We're going to take some body panels off, we're going to change some fluids, add a battery, see if we can get this baby to start. If you're interested, we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Now, to make this not take as long as it looks, I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to take the seat off. I'm going to take this panel off. We're going to take this panel off and do the same on the other side so that we can survey what is underneath. We will change the battery. We will siphon the gas out of the gas tank. We will then reattach it, and we will look to change the oil. After we've done that, we'll check and make sure the coolant level is good, and then we're going to try and give it a start. I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got the seat off, and we've got the battery out. We've got all the electronics he had disconnected. We'll put the new battery in a second. Instead of taking the tank off, the people at Honda suggested I just siphon the gas out because it's been sitting, the sediment will be on the bottom. So, Canadian Tire multi-use transfer pump should do the trick. From looking inside, the gas doesn't actually smell all that bad, and it only looks like there's maybe 2 or 3 liters in there that I can put into a jerry can. I'm going to pick the camera up here and just show you a little closer what it looks like. So there's our battery compartment. With the seat off, you can see all the electronics. There's not a lot of rust or anything around here. The gas cap, our pepcock, and the other side where our fuses and stuff are. So I'll be back in a second when we have the battery in and we're ready to siphon the gas. So the new battery is in. So now let's see. There's Mrs. High Mileage Rider helping to polish the bike. We're going to put the key in and see, do we have power? And we do. We have power. It's a beautiful thing. We'll be right back. Okay, so we attached the battery and we found that we do have power. All the lights work, the turn signals. So now we're going to attach our siphon and we're going to siphon some gas out. Okay, so you know this is going to be a long restoration when I can't even tell that there's no gas in the gas tank. Previous owner drained it, so that's why we weren't getting anything out. So what we've done is we've put about 2 to 3 liters of gas in, Shell high octane 94, and we sloshed the bike around a little bit, and now we're going to siphon it out. Okay, so gas is filled. Electrics work. The next step is to change the oil. I don't have an OEM filter wrench, so my buddy Heath brought over his universal and it worked like a charm. Loosened the filter at the front, 17mm bolt on the bottom. Everyone's done an oil change before. I won't film it to make you watch, but I will let you know you can do this without taking the front cowling off the bike. The front cowling on this one is quite old and has lots of tar. I don't want to take a chance of breaking it, so I was able to get my small little hands up there and loosen it. We'll be back when we're ready to put some oil in. So we've changed the oil. We think we're ready to go. We are going to try and start this bike for the first time in 15 years-ish. We need to prime the carburetor. Okay, so we crank the bike. It cranks, won't fire, won't start. So we are actually going to take apart, take off all of this, all of this, all of this, all of this to get underneath in order to, oops, sorry about my finger there, guys. In order to replace the fuel filter and the air filter, since I need to do it anyways, and we'll see if that helps. There's lots of videos showing how to do that, so we'll just be back when we're done. Oh my God, I could have picked an easier bike as a first project bike. Holy shit. Good thing there's lots of videos. Let me show you what we've done. Oh, and this is supposed to take 20 minutes. So we've taken the main stereo off. We've taken it off of all of here. We've taken all of the side pieces off. And now this is the air cleaner. This is the fuel filter we're going to replace. God, this is fun. We'll be right back. Take that off. Okay, so there's the air filter. Pretty disgusting. Coolant and fuel filter. So we'll get all this out and then we'll put it back together.